Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude, and welcome back to another Jurassic World figure unboxing. Today we're looking at the Legacy Collection Isla Nublar Escape Set. This one comes with two raptors, Ellie and John Hammond, along with the banner. I think the banner is personally my favorite part of this set. It's nice long fabric, and it doesn't show on the back, but it has these cool little ties where you can tie it up. I've unboxed this before, and I'm sure a lot of you have seen this. So I brought these older figures in to kind of compare as well to these newer ones. Ooh, I just broke the box.
Disgusting.
Cringe. That's
oh,
fine.
This is awful. This is a massacre.
Oh no. It's fine. It's fine. This is fine. Oh. No. There we go. We were able to... there we go. So, the backdrop's really nice.
Oh.
Is that...
I need to cut them.
Oh, shoot. I've got little precise scissors down there.
No. No, these are... You have them, these are my scissors.
Okay, whatever. The backdrop's really nice. You can see there's a fence and a golden, reddish sun beating down on the island. Very misty. And, it's spectacular. I love it. I love when the big box sets come with a backdrop like this.
Here's the,
Banner.
banner. When the dinosaurs ruled the earth. I don't know why I said dinos there. It's cool. I like the banner.
It's like from the end, it like falls down over the T-Rex when it roars.
Yeah, I remember. You should hang this up in your room.
I will.
That'd be really cute.
Here,
I'm putting it here. Not that you can see
and he comes with his cane. So I got the,
Let me see that.
this old set, and you can see there's John in the background there. I'm not going to take him out of package, but it's basically the same thing, except for the baby dino's not there.
If you look at his thingy, it has the mosquito on it in the ember, actually.
Yeah,
so...
they got a little print. That black dot is the... Just take my word for it. There's a mosquito there.
Yeah, it's not dust, I promise. I'm gonna grab him.
Pry the old man out of his plastic tomb.
Oh, she's thick as hell, bro.
Oh my god.
Look, okay, my favorite part about this is, look, they got the shirt correct. In the old one, they took her sleeves off for some reason, and I was telling Brennan how annoying this is. But in this one, they didn't. And also she has a gun for some reason in the old one.
They had to make it more fun.
But this one she doesn't. It's actually accurate to her outfit, and I like that because it's also tied. No tie. Tie. Shirt, wrong color. Correct color. Sleeve. No sleeves. Sleeves. I like this one more.
It was made back in the day, though.
Both of them, though, her face looks ratchet as hell.
Bruh, that's so mean.
Look at this one.
I don't know if it's
whatever.
focusing.
I don't know if it'll focus. But and then look at this one. And the hair is not even right either. But like, what is this?
Oh my god. Okay.
Anyways, I like the new one more. That's my take on this whole thing. And I like his little cane because it has the little tiny thingy on it.
Yeah, the little mosquito.
So I'm gonna
and the raptors are very cool. You can see they've got the shiny green eye. It's actually like metallic color, which is really nice. And I think no, the inside of their mouths are not painted. No. Oh, why are their jaws so hard to open? Oh my goodness. But they're in a cool, the standing position and then the typical crouch position, so you get one of each. And the underbellies are painted, which is like a premium thing that Mattel does, so really nice detail there. And I like the colors, they stand out well. You can see even the original has that green eye, which is nice. There we go. Why are you not standing? And the toes are painted. Yay! So this set's very fun, and it helps you recreate the end scene where the raptors come in and then the Rex saves the day. Assuming you have a Rex, this is like the perfect set to add on to that, especially with this banner. So it was a must-have back in the day. Like, I saw it, I was like, oh, need. I mean, I need them all, but it was like a need.
For some reason, Hammond can't hold his cane. It's not tall enough. And
I know, I've noticed.
His hand is. He doesn't hold it.
How about that other hand? It's a bit more clenched.
It, but he tried. No, you can't put it in because his fingers are too folded in this hand, right? So it's still not correct.
Huh.
So it's really annoying because the only way he can hold it is like this, and then he can't hold it like on the ground.
Yeah.
And even if he could, it would not reach the ground. So my complaint is cane wrong. Hands fucked.
You're so mean. Alright. Well, that's fine. That's completely chill.
His knees are really difficult to bend too, so if you're looking to bend his knee, it's just as crippled as
No!
They really recreated
Foul.
the fact that he was
That is
crippled.
foul, bro.
But unfortunately his cane is useless, so he can only bend one knee. Oh wait. Oh, there we go. Like I said, probably got like metal stints or something.
You're doing the old man dirty.
Old people moment, I guess.
Alrighty, I'm ending it there. That's the whole review. Really great set. Really miss sets like this.
I know, I kind of like that they did this, and they used to do that in the old figures. Like the
And I'm glad they're bringing it back for the new movie line.
And I like that she thick as hell.
Oh, yeah. Damn. Alrighty, okay. So, I hope you all enjoyed. And stay tuned for the other videos. You can see in the background there's a lot more figures I need to get through to unbox. So I'll see you all then. Bye-bye.
I hope they appreciate my commentary.
They will.